We are at 104 Juneberry Court. We're going to be replacing this damaged shingle. The shingle is the one that's under the pink box, and in order to replace that one, which you can see the granular loss from wind, we'll have to lift 2 shingles above in order to take the nails out to release the shingle below that we have to replace. Just by moving the shingle slightly to release the nails, you can already see granular loss in a couple areas. Ooh, hot. Shingle is out. You can see a lot of granular displacement in these areas. You can see a line right in, ooh, it's popping off pretty good there just by touching it. Already showing damage in those areas. A lot of granules, loose granules laying there. Now put the replacement shingle in. It's a little warm out here today, so the shingles are kind of hot. You notice there is a color difference. We couldn't find an exact color match to the shingles existing. Watch, you can see the granules bouncing that have already been displaced as he nails in the new shingle. Burn you? A little scorch. Scorching my butt. Alright, got the shingle replaced. See a good bit of granular displacement in here. See it over here on this one. See it on this one. See it here. Even the ones above.
And almost a little bit on the top one.
Yep. A little bit on the one that we didn't even lift. All right, overall, looking at those, it's a good bit of granular displacement just replacing the shingle. In order to do this correctly, because now the matting is being exposed to the sun, which will rapidly deteriorate these shingles, they should also be replaced. There's probably, because of the way they're spaced out, would have to replace 2 directly above and 2 above that, so you're looking at least 4 to 5 shingles having to be replaced. Because of this granular loss, this would be marked as a fail, requiring additional shingles to be replaced. Also, while I'm up here, these are 2 750 turtle vent boxes that had been replaced about 1.5 years ago. In order to replace them, we did replace shingles. And if you look above this area, from a year and a half ago. When those were replaced, it did cause damage to the shingles above it. So roof's been brittle for at least a year and a half once these here were replaced, and still shows the same signs.